My people, we don't come again. Today, na 13th of February 2025. As we talk so, APC, PDP, all of them don't close their case. In fact, APC don't close their case. PDP don't close their case. Now, remember, say, as well with that, people don't already close their case before. Now, no case they grant anymore now. What happened today in IBC, it's very, very funny. Very, very funny. The truth of the matter now is that what did they happen for courts? APC finally closed their case. Remember, say, make I read. What did I get for una for here? And IBC, according to what I have here, he said, breaking news, 24 APC witnesses missing in action. Did they ghost their own cases? Question. Now question, oh, then they went on. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a political trailer on our hands. The APC paraded a grand total of 28 witnesses for the Edo State Tribunal, only for 24 of them to mysteriously vanish when it was time to testify to their claim. Now, we continue. Were they stuck in traffic? Maybe they did already, or luku. As they talk, so they feed already, or luku. And that they ask for here and say, were they stuck in traffic? Did they lose their voices overnight? Or perhaps after watching their colleagues fumble yesterday, other cross-examination, did they decided that silence is truly golden? Then they went on. After 4 witnesses accidentally admitted to overvoting, it seems the remaining 24 saw the writing on the wall and staged a strategic retreat, or should we say a full-blown escape. Now, rather than risk further embarrassment, APC lawyers have thrown in the towel, closes their case without a fight. My people, wait. As we they talk so, APC don't close their case. No case anymore. Out of the 28 witnesses, 24 don't run. They say some did their way now to Ghana, some did their way to Ore, some did their way to Yugoslavia, some did to Gambia. They are on the run. Remember, if you say waiting you don't know for court, now prison, now you they go. I felt talking before. For this situation now, APC witnesses, they are on the run. They are on the run. We can't find them. We don't know where they are. I would like to make una listen to Ogbede Isibo Ifaloyi.
The APC had told us, the tape is going in this case, that they had 28 witnesses to tender before the tribunal. And the 4 of them that were brought yesterday helps our case to substantiate our prayers that there was overvoting and there was non-civilization of sensitive materials. And there's a sense in which the councils saw that the witnesses were helping the PDP and decided not to call any more witnesses. They also told us that they had more documents to tender before the tribunal today. And it appears that the documents had an accident along the way, and so they couldn't bring it before the court. So we are pleased. The court, in her wisdom, has granted them 7 days to send their briefs to the petitioner, and we have 5 days to respond. And so we're hopeful that with all the evidence tendered before the courts, with all the witnesses that have come to give their addresses before the courts, the PDP has again shown to the tribunal, just the same way we have been telling the Edo people, that Asra Ighodalo won the election. We had the highest number of legal, lawful votes, and he should have been declared winner after the September 21st elections. So we are pleased with the outcome of the tribunal, and we are hopeful for better days ahead for the PDP. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
My people, una good morning. My name is Remain Good Luck Osariti, and I bring you an update from court. Today, now the 13th of February 2025. So normal, Tony Azingbe day court, Honorable Matude Kemen day there, Senator Diade, Right Honorable Friday Tula day for the PDP side. So for the APC side, Masuro the day, then Jarrett Tenebe day. In fact, we all happy today with each other. We even snap it all together. Then Odubu Day court. So now proceeding start. But to now remember yesterday, say APC, after they don't bring 4 witnesses out of the 28 when they take court, say that they bring, they come back court, say get some documents when they bring come from Benin. Say Nain, they go submit out to PDP lawyers yesterday, but Nain the witness go take work today. As we reach court today, now they stand up. They take court say those documents they never find their way to Abuja from Benin, and they don't even know whether they go feel reach, whether those documents go feel reach Abuja. Because of this, the court take court say they won't close their case. So now so court say no problem, they can't close their case. So the next stage when I want to let you know be say, as of today now, this daily update don't finish from court. Every day court, it don't end today. The next stage now for APC, INEC, Okpewolo, when they correspondent, may they write their final written address, may they gather their everything, go to go, submit out to court. They will see servers where Godalo and PDP, and as where Godalo, then they also gather their everything, right, and still go submit, give court in form of response. All of these things must happen latest 3rd of March. Latest 3rd of March. So once they don't submit court to call look and review digest then they'll come fix date for judgment. So now so it will be until then may I remain blessed. But if anything can happen before that time, I'll still quickly come out, come give you an update. Una well done.
Listen, guys, this matter is not funny. Even sometimes we try to make it funny, to apply comedy to it and all that, but it's not funny. What is right is what is right, and what is wrong. Nigeria is not working today. You shouldn't support any kind of satanism just because your favorite is holding that particular position right now. Yes, Senator Mode Okpewolo, the executive governor, the executive governor of Edo State, claimed he won the case. He won the election. If you won the election, prove to us. Let your people prove to us. APC closed case. INEC closed case. Now, who want to come? Bless me myself, they go that court to might go do witness for APC because the people where they carry con yesterday, I did say some of them. Remember, I say one fumble. If to say no overvoting, later I can't admit after evidences were thrown to him. Say, okay, overvoting happen, no, see how it happen, no, my hand not there. As the rest see, say, the one we come yesterday mess up, the rest, as we go the tongue, they are on the wrong, Now, how we want to go from here? Now, court don't give them 7 days to provide further cementation. After that, in that 7 days, seven days ultimatum, now only 5 days they get for inside to respond to the 7 days we go court give them to provide further cementation. If you cannot provide it within 5 days, they will take decision. Listen, Nigeria judiciary, the way this thing they go, so me I dey like am. I not get favorite for any of them. I just want to make my Edo State make better for me. But the way they go, so we don't see now say through this way one at the pass, so everything don't be like say if they clear. But I don't want to make come be saying for 4:30 a.m. in the morning, una come slap us for face. As una do 2023, make una your let this thing clear as they clear so. Una the film, make una let her clear as they clear so. Make una not put pepper for our eye in a broad daylight to a broad daylight robbery. We are tired of it. Let it work according to the Constitution of Federal Republic of Nigeria. Make una let him work as they go so. If na Okpebolo na him win, retain him, let him continue doing his good job. If na Aswen, remove Okpebolo, may you put Aswen Godaro for there. We want a better state. It's not about the favoritism or nepotism right now. Let's apply leniency, let's apply truthfulness, and say it how it is. My people, I go like make una take him as soon as see him. Because as we see him, that's what the presenter to una. Put them for comment section. What is your take on this? APC closes their case, PDP closes their case, INEC closes their case. As we they talk now, we know if Abi Najo and I go this FC team will go judge this matter by ourselves. I don't know. Put down in the comment section. What's your take on this? Thank you very much.